Mach 1, 2003. Got a great exhaust system on it. It's got Cook's long tube headers. And we are pulling the motor out. Just giving you an update. I told you I would. Told you I'd give you an update, did I not? Okay, well, finished the wiring on that passenger door. Got it all put together. Had to order a new piece there because that was broke. And of course I got them off of Amazon, a pair of them for 30 bucks anyway. Let's just move right on. Now, I'm trying to get the shifter out of this thing. Let me show you. Yeah, trying to get it unbolted because we are going to pull motor, transmission, and everything out. Let me just swing right around here and see what we're up to. It's hot here in Summerville today. We had all that rain for the last 2 days or so, 3 days, whatever it was, 4, anyway. And now it's sunny and hot. And I got double fans running, but anyway, let me cut a light on, maybe you can see good, but this motor here, well, anyway, there you go. I thought I cut a tie. I about got everything unbolted, kind of like unblanketed, you know, just take all the wiring off of it. This has Cook's long tube headers, and I can get the front bolts, you can't see them, but anyway, from underneath. I can't really get the back ones. So I'm just going to experiment here. I'm going to set the car back down on the ground, and I'm going to get my engine hoist hooked to it. And I'm going to try to lift the motor up to see if I can get to the back bolts. And I'll let them headers just hang right there. Butterfly them, you know, lay them over on each side. But anyway, yep, that's what's going on with this Mach 1. All right, don't forget, I'm going to tell you, I need the subscribers. I don't know what's going on, but people just don't subscribe. I mean, 639 of you have, but I need 6,339. I see people's got horrible content, and they got thousands and thousands of subscribers. I guess people like the really bad stuff. I don't know. Maybe I should do bad stuff, but yep. Box of parts. Need some new headlights. Anybody got a good set of them? Yep, I got tail lights. Got a motor. Looking all spiffy. We're getting ready to do her up. All right. For my other subscribers and my friends and families, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. We need you. Mad Brad's Customs. We are out.